Hi guys, I'm inside of my 2016 Mercedes GLA and I will show you how to replace the front speaker, central speaker. It's a sunny and hot day. It's pretty important to try to make the replacement when it's hot, because then the plastic is more elastic. So as you can see, it's already opened. The way I did it was I used flathead screwdriver, something like this. Probably a spatula made of strong plastic would have been better, but I didn't have it. So this is how it works. As you can see, there are these metal clips here up front and then in the rear part. Okay, so what I did was, by using extreme caution, really not applying too much force, I used the screwdriver probably right here, this place, up front first. Just take a look, there is this plastic portion of the assembly here, so you want to put the screwdriver below it to open the whole thing, and then you do it the same way on the right hand side. Okay, once you are done with it, the windshield side will be still closed. I will show you again how it looks like. Okay, so these metal clips are on the corners, one corner and then the other corner. You have to lift it in the corner, probably somewhere here. Right, again, ideally you want to lift the plastic portion here and not the upper part, because it's very fragile. Once you're done, you don't even have to disconnect the sensor in the front. You just disconnect the speaker. The speaker is clip-on, so there are no screws. This is how it looks like. This is the replacement one. And these balls go into the holes. So that's pretty straightforward part. In my case, the old speaker was making this buzzing sound, which I heard is pretty popular in Mercedes-Benz, so that's why I needed to change the speaker. Thank you guys and good luck.